For those of us who are still a little confused adding up to subtract using an open number line, I have a method that I would like to share. The method is we're going to start on the open number line with the subtrahend, the smallest number, and we're going to go to the minuend, the largest number, and we're going to use the entire space on this open number line. What we do after we do that is we mark every multiple of 10 from the subtrahend to the minuend. So we've got 65, 70, 80, and 90. All we have to do now is get from the subtrahend to the minuend. From 65 to 70, that hop right there is going to be a plus 5. From 70 to 80 is going to be a plus 10. From 80 to 90 is a plus 10. From 90 to 93 is a plus 3. To find the difference, the distance between the two, we're just going to add all those numbers up, all of our hops up. So we've got 10, 20, 25, 28. So our difference is going to be 28. I'm going to do the same thing over here on problem number 2 of tonight's homework. We're going to start with the subtrahend, the smallest number. We're going to end with the minuend, the largest number. And we're going to find the distance between the two numbers, or the difference between 84 and 67. We're going to mark all multiples of 10, 70, and 80, and that's it. The difference between 67 and 70, that hop is going to be a plus 3. 70 to 80 is going to be a plus 10. 80 to 84 is going to be a plus 4. We add those numbers up. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. So there you have it, the first 2 problems solved from tonight's homework. Thank you much.